Paint is super cool. And you got your logo down here, all the carbon. All right, we're going on a quick test drive. We have 10,848 miles on the odometer. You have brand new window tint on here. Really, really nice interior. Smells super fresh. It's very windy outside. The last car I drove, you could hear the wind like crazy. It's dead quiet in here compared to that car. The cabin noise cancellation in here is amazing, with probably the double pane glass, all the insulation. It is definitely a Bentley. Shifts nice and smooth. Steering's perfectly straight. This is a very, very bumpy road, and the suspension handles it flawlessly, honestly. Like I said, if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Hit on the brakes. Brakes feel solid, no issues there. This thing definitely gets up and goes. No complaints with the drivability, absolutely perfect. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And looking at this paint in this bay, it looks okay. You get this out in the sun, it is insane. Unfortunately, it is cloudy today, but I'm hoping to get some footage of this out in the sun because this paint pops. The purple is absolutely gorgeous. And you also have a bunch of gorgeous carbon fiber here on the back, upper spoiler. Really, really clean. So looking at that paint, I mean, right there, that's a good angle to see that paint pop. That looks awesome. Got the carbon down the side skirts here. Looking at the wheel, got the gloss black. Looks awesome. Here on the side mirror, nice and clean. A-pillar looks good. That door looks awesome. Here's that carbon. And it is Bentley. Got the branding right there. Really, really cool. Some very light little surface scuffs right there, probably just from everyday washing. A little spot right there. That wheel is gorgeous. Quarter panel looks good. Let me check out this carbon. Absolutely beautiful. Same with that lower valence. Looking at the hood, got one rock chip right there. The rest of that looks good. Kind of scanning through that front. A couple little rock impacts here and there. It's all very subtle. Like a little impact there. Some light spots where bugs have kind of sat and etched into the clear a little bit. Look at that beautiful carbon lip. Some light little scuffs, a few rock chips like I said. Otherwise, it's a really, really clean front end. That fender looks good. Wheel looks amazing. Here on the side mirror, a couple little spots where bugs have kind of etched into the clear. A-pillar looks awesome. That looks good. That door's clean. Here on the carbon, it does have Some flaws right there on the edge. Looks like something kind of scuffed it, or maybe from getting in and out, possibly. The rest of that looks good. That wheel's clean. Got the full carbon down here on that diffuser. Beautiful, beautiful paint. Like I said up here, check out that. Okay, checking out the interior, absolutely gorgeous and smells amazing in here. Nice and clean. These buttons look really good. That grab handle's super clean. Got the memory seating here. That trim looks nice. Bolster looks good. I see a little scuff right there. Otherwise, that seat is in great condition. A couple light fingernail scuffs there. The rest of that looks good. Gloss black trim, nice and pretty. Here on the upper side of the dash, from what I can tell there, looks good. This is absolutely gorgeous in here. Really, really nice. Here on the back right door panel, looks amazing. Trim looks good, got the all-weather mats. Here on the seats, those look really good. I don't see any flaws that stand out there. Ton of room back here. Looking at the seat, that bolster looks good. Small marking right there. It's really subtle. You can kind of see that in the camera. The rest of that looks good. That side's nice and clean. Glove box, gloss black trim. That looks awesome. Upper side of the dash. Just kind of scanning through that. Massive panoramic roof. Here on that panel, that's in great condition. You got your memory seating, your Bentley light down there on the ground. That trim looks good. Got the carpet mats and these Bentley all-weather rubber mats. All right, looking in the trunk, you got a ton of room back here. Carpets all look good. Looks like you can raise and lower the air suspension from back here, so if you need it to drop down so you can reach back there. Then the top carpets here look awesome.